Vum 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 konganji.
Maphuma has finally become one of the artists with the best musical strategy, bro, in South Africa when it comes to marketing. I swear, bro, when it comes to marketing, I'm gonna tell you about it in just a minute.
I need not relax.
Why?
I need.
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 I mean, when bro popped off a few years back, bro, you feel me? There was no tactics, there was no strategies to his music. You feel me? It just clicked with the people, man. People just instantly loved Scott Maphuma, and you feel me? He became a national sensation, bro. In just overnight, bro, with just one song. But nowadays, Scott, we see you, bro. You see you, bro. You feel me, Scott? Nowadays, he's only going viral for his online tactics, bro. Just like the time when he didn't want to take pictures with his fans, man. You feel me? The whole country felt disrespected by him. You feel me? Everybody said he was ungrateful. You feel me? For the support that they have. But just when everyone thought he was down and out, bro, guess what? He made a song about the situation. He made a song about his fans demanding pictures by force from him. Oh.
In terms of gender-based violence, technology.
So I've never seen a more working strategy in South African artists more than this one, you feel me? Becoming a troll on the internet and then pushing all that attention, man, to your music, boy, making money out of that shit, you feel me? Scott Maphuma has been capitalizing from all the drama that he's been causing online, you feel me? Even now, bro, like, he just released a new song called Konganje na.
Vum 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 konganji.
First, when this song popped, everybody ridiculed him for this song, and everybody said he fell off. Everybody said he wasn't taking this music thing serious anymore. You feel me? But you feel me? He kept on promoting the song online with all the negative attention that the song was getting. And guess what, man? The song is going viral at the moment. As I'm talking to you, bro. The song is one of the biggest or the most trending songs right now at the moment. But if you go to TikTok or you go to your hashtag amapiano on YouTube, you're gonna see, bro, that this strategy is working, man. Bro becomes a troll on the internet or online, and then he drops a song. Simple. I mean, we've seen this strategy before from, American rappers, your King Vons, your Lil Durks, you feel me? Because in most cases, people who really listen to the music are people that, know the background stories to those songs or like the lifestyles of those rappers, you feel me? So Scott just caused a dilemma on the internet about Konganje, and now apparently everyone likes Konganje, you feel me?
Are you kidding me, Kali? Petrol kupuyenga 3 rand.
Yeah, so I don't know what you guys think, but I really think Scott Maphuma has the best musical strategy when it comes to marketing his music in South Africa, man, or among South African artists, bro. I don't know what you all think, but you feel me? There's the comment section, bro. Tell me there, bro. I'll be there responding to your comments right there, bro. Please don't forget to subscribe, bro. It's your boy Kelua Sabi, straight from the inner state. You know what it is, man. Please hit the subscription button and click the bell there so that whenever I drop a new video, you are here in time, dude. You feel me? Bah.
What up, PJ? When a linear tickers like lifana na ba? Ha, I knew.